Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
I'm here with Mika ma'am, who has just finished being part of an absolutely inspiring session. Ma'am, it was brilliant hearing you there, brilliant thoughts being shared there. What do you think about this exponential growth that television and digital is seeing in today's times?
I think it's not surprising at all. It was meant to be, and it's playing out exactly how it was supposed to. But what's interesting to see is that and more the television channels need to understand that it's not an either or. Both need to coexist, TV linear and non-linear, and that happy coexistence can happen if you are open to change and welcome the change, which is most of the broadcasters are doing. As far as BTVI is concerned, in fact, we are extremely excited about the fact that because we are a one channel setup, we had to look at opportunities to grow our audiences outside of linear platforms. So we have done tie-ups and partnered with platforms like Hotstar, Jio, Yup TV, ZEE5, Sony Live, and BTVI is the business news channel offering in that platform. So we've been able to grow our audiences humongously on those platforms, and in fact we are also available on various trading apps, which is our core audience, whether it's Axis or HDFC Securities or IFL. So that's a very core audiences we talk to, and they are watching BTVI exclusively live streamed out of on those apps. So you have to think out of the box. You have to look at availability on other platforms, which we've been able to do successfully.
So ma'am, when you talk about the changes, so what change you find from last few years in television?
Well, television per se, I think there's a tectonic shift which has happened in TV viewing habits, because not only, like I said, from linear to non-linear consumption, and most importantly, the consumption has gone on to mobile. And with the growth of mobiles across in the country, more and more content is going to be consumed on those mediums. So I think the content creators or the content generators in every genre needs to understand that and be able to bring about the quality content which is easily accessible through these platforms. And because of the data price being much cheaper now and more it's going to get cheaper, I think it's going to be very it's critical for anyone to be present in all these platforms. And I think the way the tariff order will play out will also play a key role in how content is produced, consumed and distributed in an entire cycle, in the entire chain.
Ma'am, last but not the least, how would you like to wish Siddharth and team IWM Buzz for having hosted this mega event?
I think I was just telling Siddharth, I was pleasantly surprised, I must admit, because the first time I'm experiencing this entire event, and I think it is the first of its kind, of your event, right? So I think very well organized, great lineup of speakers, which is, so my compliments to Siddharth and team for putting that together. And I think it's just the beginning. I'm sure he's got bigger and better things lined up for him, so I wish him all the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.